Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to cash in on the YouTube craze without showing your face or creating original content, keep watching. We've got 10 amazing niches and examples to get you started. Let's jump in. First up, wealth. Share valuable financial knowledge, stock market secrets, and investment strategies. These are the keys to unlocking financial freedom and building a prosperous future. By understanding the intricacies of the stock market and mastering investment strategies, you can turn your knowledge into a powerful tool for wealth creation. People are always searching for ways to grow their money. They want to know how to make their savings work harder for them, how to invest wisely, and how to navigate the complex world of finance. By providing clear, actionable advice, you can help them achieve their financial goals. Channels like Top Money thrive by sharing clips from experts, interviews, public speeches, and stock footage. These channels have become go-to sources for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. They offer a wealth of information from seasoned professionals who have been there and done that. They curate the best advice into engaging faceless videos. This approach allows them to present complex financial concepts in a way that is easy to understand and visually appealing. By focusing on high-quality content and professional presentation, they build trust and credibility with their audience. Use text on screen, voiceovers, and music to make it your own. These elements can help to reinforce key points, create a more engaging viewing experience, and set your content apart from the competition. With the right combination of visuals and audio, you can create videos that are both informative and entertaining. People crave insights in the financial game. They want to know the latest trends, the best investment opportunities, and the strategies that can help them succeed. By staying up to date with the latest developments and sharing your insights, you can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Give them what they need and watch your channel grow. As you build a loyal following, you'll see your subscriber count increase, your videos get more views, and your influence expand. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion for finance into a thriving online business. Next, health and wellness. This is an ever-growing niche that continues to attract a wide audience. This niche is booming with people seeking diet plans, workout routines, and healthy living tips. From beginners to fitness enthusiasts, everyone is looking for reliable information to improve their health. You don't need to be a fitness model or nutritionist to create valuable content. Everyday people can share their fitness journeys, tips, and experiences. Curate the best health advice and make it visually appealing. Use engaging visuals like yoga poses, meditation practices, and more to keep your audience hooked. Channels like Healthy Wealthy use stock footage, animations, and voiceovers to create professional and informative content. This approach makes it easier to produce high-quality videos without needing to be on camera. Show mouth-watering shots of healthy food and stunning workout locations. These visuals can inspire your audience to adopt healthier habits and make positive changes in their lives. Tailor your content to specific diets, workout styles, or health concerns. Whether it's keto, vegan, or gluten-free diets, or different types of workouts like HIIT, yoga, or strength training, there's a vast audience looking for specialized advice. Empower others to live healthier lives and grow your channel. Share success stories, provide motivation, and create a sense of community. Engaging with your audience and addressing their needs can help you build a loyal following and make a positive impact on their health and wellness journey. Fashionistas, this one's for you. Whether you're a seasoned style guru or just starting your fashion journey, there's a place for you in the world of faceless fashion. Share your passion for style, trends, and DIY fashion hacks without showing your face. From upcycling old clothes to creating new looks with accessories, the possibilities are endless. People seek inspiration for the latest trends and styling tips. They turn to fashion magazines, online shopping sites, and social media for ideas on how to elevate their wardrobe. Channels like Fashion Forward use slideshow videos with trendy fashion tips and voiceovers. This method allows you to share your expertise and style advice without ever stepping in front of the camera. Showcase different outfits for various occasions, whether it's a casual day out, a formal event, or a cozy night in. there's always a perfect outfit to share. Add text overlays with brand names, prices, or shopping links. This not only helps your audience find the pieces they love, but also adds a professional touch to your videos. Create a visually stunning experience with royalty-free images and videos. High-quality visuals can captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Inspire your viewers and become a style icon. By sharing your unique fashion sense and creative ideas, you can build a loyal following and make a lasting impact in the fashion community. Tech wizards, this one's for you! The tech niche is booming with people hungry for the latest news, reviews, and tutorials. You don't need to be a coding genius. Channels like Tech Talk use product photos, animations, and synthesized voiceovers. Showcase the latest gadgets with close-ups and smooth animations. Create unboxing videos, comparisons, or top 5 lists. Tutorials are always in demand. Guide your viewers and cash in on the tech wave. Spread positivity and make a difference with inspirational content. Uplift, motivate, and empower others. You don't need to be a motivational speaker. Channels like Inspire Daily use animations and text overlays to deliver powerful messages. Show stunning visuals of nature with uplifting music and quotes. Share personal stories of triumph and resilience. Use stock footage and royalty-free music for an immersive experience. Become a beacon of hope and positivity. Ignite a fire under your viewers with motivational content. Empower others to achieve their goals and overcome obstacles. You don't need to be a self-help guru. Channels like Motivation Hub compile clips from famous speeches with impactful music. Create video montages of iconic figures delivering inspiring speeches. Use text overlays to highlight key quotes. Add sound effects and animations to emphasize powerful moments. Fuel your viewers' fire and watch your channel explode. Lovebirds, this one's for you. The relationship niche is hot with people craving advice on dating and communication. You don't need to be a therapist. Channels like Relationship Remedies use animations and soothing voiceovers. Explain concepts like the 5 love languages with animated videos. Show animated scenarios depicting common relationship challenges. Create videos on specific topics like online dating or long-distance relationships. Add humor to lighten the mood and engage your audience. Step into a world of luxury and glamour with the status niche. Showcase exotic travel, luxury cars, and designer fashion. You don't need to be a millionaire. Channels like Status Symbol curate clips of luxurious living with captivating voiceovers. Show breathtaking shots of luxury hotels and supercars. Create videos about high-end fashion shows and exclusive events. Create a sense of aspiration and escapism for your viewers. Let them dream about the high life. Unleash your inner artist with animation. Make education fun and engaging. You don't need to be a professional animator. Channels like Brainy Animations use whiteboard animations and motion graphics. Explain complex topics in an easy-to-understand way. Create animated videos on science, history, technology, and finance. Use different animation styles and sound effects. Have fun and make learning profitable. Captivate audiences with the power of your voice. Use voiceovers to tell stories and share information. You don't need a professional recording studio. Channels like Voiceover Vibes combine stock footage with captivating voiceovers. Create videos about history, science, or product demos. Use vivid descriptions and intriguing stories. Create an immersive experience for your viewers. Let your voice be heard and connect on a deeper level. Boom! There you have it. 10 killer niches to dominate YouTube without making videos. Find your passion, deliver value, and be consistent. Choose your niche, gather your content, and start your YouTube journey today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Let's make this year your best year on YouTube.